Yo, welcome back everyone. Your boy Coach here, Dr10. As you can see here, got my 78 Malibu. For those of you who saw my last episode, I built a drag car kit with Dr10. Took it out for some testing, made some good hits. Fortunately, the other day I realized my differential was slipping. Anyhow, I decided to get those bad boys. A lot of guys are locking their diffs, home style, earplugs, different things I've heard of. But I want to get a good solid diff, so I went and grabbed that. So I figured I'd make a quick little video. So I guess first we're going to get started by taking a look, seeing what's under here. I'm running a vanillin system in this one. Got some suspension work done. Got the drag race concepts sway bar kit and wheelie bar assembly. I did a little something to the shocks and modded them. I run it on 3S, and honestly I forgot the gearing right now. But we're gonna go ahead and get that transmission out there, get it taken apart, and get that switched in there. Alright, got that all taken apart. Now we can just get this out of here. Here we go. There's your transmission motor plate. So let's get this opened up. Alright, now we got that all loosened up. Let's get that off. There we go. And that's what we're looking for right there. While I'm in here, of course, I'll inspect those gears. That's the, I think that's an idle gear and a top shaft gear or something like that. See, so there's your play. I want this to be completely solid, so I'll go ahead and get this opened up and get that part thrown in. Alrighty, let's get this nasty thing opened up here. Make sure you don't want to lose that gasket there. Okay. Alright, nasty. We'll go ahead and get this cleaned out and prepped for the new part. Let's get that opened up. Got those cleaned up just enough. Time to drop this bad boy in. Simply take that. You want to slide it to go right onto the pin that's in there. Boom. Likewise with this one. And you can already see that ain't going anywhere. Alright. Simple enough. Spend more time taking it apart than actually putting the part in. But alright, we'll get this sealed up and back into training. Alright. Now we're gonna get this back in there, attached to that, and then back in there. Alright, so there we have it. All back together. Feels really good. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get it back in there. There you have it. All locked up. I can't wait to get this thing out for some more testing. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the ride height, wheelie bar again, make sure everything's set, and get it out there for a nice rip. Once again, thanks to everyone for watching. Always remember, please hit that like button, subscribe, and look for more content soon to come on the channel. Thanks.